violin from the very start. This is my left, this is my right. We're going to be talking about the bow and how to mark your instrument if you need to mark it. Just keep in mind that marking your instrument depends on your experience, your teacher's experience, the environment that you learn in, and many other factors. So there's no right or wrong answer. Some people are adamantly against marking your instrument and your bow. Some people are adamantly for it, and I will talk about both of those. But first, let's talk about the bow. We're going to go over the parts of the bow very quickly. This is the frog. No, it doesn't. I know it doesn't look like a frog. Grip, binding, turning screw. If you need to repeat these, just repeat the video. Stick, tip, hair. Don't touch the hair. Yep, we can't touch the hair. That's what happens if you touch the hair. If you see my very dirty bow next to the frog, dirty hair. And it also can not take rosin very well. This is a turning screw. We want to do righty-tighty to play, lefty-loosey to put away. This is lefty-loosey. The hair's almost touching the stick, or maybe it's touching. Righty-tighty is a pencil drop test. So if a pencil can drop through a violin bow, very different if we're playing bass, but then you're tight enough. Okay, so let's talk about why we mark our instrument. I mark the bow at 1/4, 1/2, and 3/4. I do this because I teach whole group instruction. I teach privately, but I teach private. I still mark the bow. It just helps. If you have a really, really strong music community where all the kids have had 2 or 3 years of music instruction, you don't necessarily have to mark them. But if you don't have that kind of support in your community, I would definitely mark the bow and mark the fingerboard. This fingerboard is marked with first position, 1, 2, 3, which is basically where we start. Some people start in 3rd position. I've also marked 3rd position because I also teach 3rd position in my classroom, in my middle school classroom. And that's where the first finger is in the 3rd finger spot. We call that 3rd position. And pinstriping for cars works really well, but it does leave a residue. So I have found some beautiful washi tape 1/8